Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to boost your online security and browse the internet with extra peace of mind using Nova Tunnel PlusVPN. This video will guide you through setting it up for a safer online experience. First, go to the Google Play Store on your phone and search for Nova Tunnel PlusVPN. It's super important to make sure it's the correct app, so double-check the name and the icon before you hit that install button. We're focusing on how to use the app's features for secure browsing. Once it's installed, open the app. Tap on the menu button. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will give you access to the app settings. Select Check Config. This ensures the app has the latest configurations, which are essential for secure and reliable browsing. We're talking about updating the app for better security. Nothing else. Tap on Server. Choose United States or any server that works best for your browsing needs. Always remember to follow local regulations and laws when selecting a server. We're promoting responsible and legal internet use only. Select Global UDP/country. This setting might vary depending on your location, so choose the option that's right for your specific needs and provides the best secure browsing experience. Tap Start to initiate the VPN connection. Now all your online activity will be encrypted, giving you an extra layer of protection against prying eyes. Always remember to use VPNs responsibly and ethically, and in compliance with all applicable laws and terms of service. And that's it. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards safer and more secure online browsing. Thanks for watching, and remember to browse responsibly.